This nigga! Bro, that's all y'all doing! Hit the stitches! Hit the stitches! Hit the stitches! Yeah!
He mad! He's so mad! Look at he's so mad, Joe! Yo, CJ, you going on YouTube. You going on YouTube and get cursed out in some other ass language. That's a nigga language.
Nigga sweating though. That's what make it funny.
Dude, like, I'm gonna get irritated.
Bro, how you feel about that? How you feel about that, bro? Like, how you feel about that, for real? Huh? You know what I mean? Are you okay?
I'm good. He tweaking.
Do you know what he said?
No.
Man, what did you say?
All I said was he's stupid.
50 words. Just say you stupid.
All I said was you stupid. That's all I said that whole fucking time.
50 words.
He's so mad. Look at him. Look at his face.
Can we leave you alone?
He can't even laugh.
Let's,
Bro, you trying
let's
to? Bro,
go,
you trying to Skype, bro?
Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. That's all right.
You trying to Skype? You gotta do it, huh?
Close the door.
This is hilarious, bro. Don't hit the camera, dude. Don't hit the camera, man, bro. I'm just the messenger.
Shoot the messenger, nigga.
You alright, man? No, somebody mad, Joe. Whoever he on Skype with, mad as hell.
Hell yeah. She's sitting there looking straight, bro.